A flowchart is a visual representation of a sequence of actions or a workflow, using various shapes and arrows to show the sequence and flow. It can effectively represent the sequence of actions and flow of a computer program. Additionally, it can also effectively explain procedures for various tasks and not just those related to computer programs. What is the purpose of a flowchart? It is useful for planning and analyzing the overall operation of a computer program before creating it. It helps to find and fix errors before creating it. It allows you to effectively explain the operation and flow of the computer program to others. Flowcharts use standardized shapes as symbols. Here are the commonly used symbols. This symbol is called terminal, indicating the start and end. A flowchart starts and ends with this symbol. This symbol is called process. It represents a specific task, operation, or action. For example, performing a calculation. This symbol is called decision. It shows a conditional operation that determines one of two paths, such as yes or no. The flow line exiting the symbol indicates the different paths to follow for each respective condition, such as yes or no. This symbol is called input/output. It represents a process for either entering data into the system or displaying the results. This symbol is called flow line. It connects each symbol to indicate the direction of the process flow. This is an example of a flowchart for a computer program. The computer program is designed to ask the user for the sum of two numbers and then check if their answer is correct. For example, let's illustrate the program's operation in a flowchart. It asks for the sum of 2 and 3, and then checks if the user's input equals the correct sum, 5. Program start. Display 2 plus 3 on the screen. Calculate the sum of 2 and 3 to determine the answer. Get user input for the answer. Check if the answer is the sum, which is 5. If the inputted answer is not 5, display a message on the screen that the answer is wrong. Display 2 plus 3 on the screen. Calculate the sum of 2 and 3 to determine the answer. Get user input for the answer. Check if the answer is the sum, which is 5. If the inputted answer is 5, display a message on the screen that the answer is correct. Program end. So far, we have learned what a flowchart is and how it is used.